Hey guys, today I'm going to henna my hair, so I thought that I would show a little bit of a before and after. It's been a while since I've done it, so I've got some roots. I already have my henna mixed up. I'm going to first hop in the shower and wash my hair with the apple cider vinegar shampoo because it is one of the more clarifying ones, and I find that if I use a clarifying shampoo before I henna, the dye it takes better on my roots especially. So I'm going to take my hair out and show you what that looks like. Okay, here it is down and detangled as my before. I'm gonna hop in the shower real quick and put my henna on, and I will be back. Okay, I've got my henna on and I've covered it with a plastic bag, and I'm going to leave it on for about 3 hours and then rinse it. I will show you what it looks like once it's dry. Okay guys, here it is dry. Turned out a really nice warm chocolate brown this time. Here's the full. A little bit frizzy, but that's okay. I don't really have a whole lot in it, just a little bit of gel, because you don't want to add a whole lot of product after henna, just so that way it can oxidize. And hopefully in a few days it'll be nice and sunny out and I can show you the finished product after it's done oxidizing. Bye guys!